Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Adobe Scan and signing in so your scans sync. Frame the page, because clear contrast helps OCR find text. Once done, tap the shutter or let Auto Capture grab the image. Make sure edges are aligned and crop immediately if needed, since a tight crop reduces errors later. You're doing this now to produce a clean source. OCR accuracy depends more on image quality than anything else. Once your capture looks good, tap the scan thumbnail and choose Recognize Text to run OCR. Adobe Scan applies language defaults, so confirm the document language before processing. Make sure to enhance and straighten. OCR reads better with high contrast and straight lines. After recognition, use Edit PDF to fix misreads, remove artifacts, or select specific text blocks. If you have multiple pages, reorder them now, because a correct sequence avoids confusion in the final searchable PDF. To finish, save the file as a searchable PDF and export to your preferred location. This preserves selectable text for search and copy. Once saved, test the document by using the search bar to find a known word. If it's found, you're done. If recognition missed chunks, retry OCR after boosting contrast or selecting the correct language, since wrong language choice or low contrast is the most common cause of errors. Rescan if necessary, and then rerun Recognize Text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.